Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for class project. You can consider this class project as your homework, and this is the time for apply your scale you gain about the color and adjustment. So this is our first class project, and in this class project you have to change the color of this banana. Here we have the yellow banana, and you have to change the color of banana. You have to make it green. I already given a PDF and a Word file, and this PDF and Word file will help you out to complete the class project. So let's take a look on our Word file. So this is our Word file, and one thing I want to tell you before starting the class project 1. Once you complete your class project, please do share your result with me so I can take a look, and you can share your work in project or assignment section, or you can just post your work in comment of project video, or you can tag me on social media. Okay, so let's start the class project 1. This is our class project 1, and the name of class project 1 is change banana color yellow to green. So let's follow the steps. First, you have to go for image. So use image from exercise file, or you can use your own, or you can get it from unsplash.com. Okay, this is the image, and I already given this image inside our exercise file, so you can use it. Or if you have any other image on your computer, then you can use it for class project, or you can get some images, royalty-free images from unsplash.com. Okay, next step is duplicate layer. Duplicate background layer in layer panel. So this is our background layer. Inside our layer panel, you have to duplicate this background layer. Once you will duplicate the background layer, a new layer will be created, and this is the output. This new color layer I have duplicated from the background layer. And the next step is use hue and saturation. Use hue and saturation for change color. Now you have to use hue and saturation for changing the colors, and you will get it inside the adjustments panel. This is the hue and saturation, and this is the properties for changing the colors. And the final step is output. Save the image in JPEG format, and this is my output. So once you apply the hue and saturation on image, the color of banana will be changed. So let me turn it on. Okay, this is my output, and you can take a look. The color of banana is changed. And once you complete, you have to save this image, and to save you just have to go for file menu, and from there you can go for save or save as option. I'm going to show you using the save as option. Okay, here is the pop-up, and from save as type you have to select the JPEG format. So this is the JPEG format, and you have to select this image in a different name. Okay, so once you write the name for your file, then you just have to click the save option, and then you can check the quality. We have maximum, high, medium, low. You can pick any quality from here, but I prefer use to maximum, and then just you have to click OK. So it's done, and I'm really waiting to have a look your work. So I'm requesting you to please do share your class project work with me so I can take a look. So see you in another lesson.